Da 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 da. Yo, Jada, angle it and triangle it, okay? All of who they don't, Jada. Round 2, baby, round 2. I had to show my face on here because you know I love the mix up. I love the blender. Yeah, Steffi, you win round 1. Here is round 2 for you. I write down all the things on here that I want to talk about. Jada said me couldn't make a waste boy trap me with no pitney. That are you. If you guys don't know, Stefflon had a son that she had while she was a teenager.
Chad, no! I have to the fuck, Chris. Hot!
If you complain about your baby daddy, Stefflon also was complaining about her baby daddy on social media and in a few interviews that she did. Go argue with your age group. Stefflon is 32 and Jada Kingdom is 25, and while I feel like Stefflon isn't that old, she is, let's see, 7 years Jada senior, so yeah, she is actually that old. You're a whole almost decade older than Jada Kingdom. So yeah, me understand what she said now. Go argue with your age group. She say you a man clone. You say him cocky small and he is a mama's boy. Posted a TikTok video and she was basically saying that Burna Boy or ex-man, current man, in between man, I don't know what they are now, was a mama's boy. And if you guys don't know, Burna Boy is managed by his mom. If you don't know what a mama's boy is, they basically can't do anything without their mother's approval or say so. Okay, they don't have a backbone of their own. Whatever their mom say goes, and their mom run them and run them household and run them life.
Yeah, boy.
She say your body hole name London bed. Your mouth fuck out. That's why the man left. No, your body, you know. Your body hole. Jesus Christ, God Almighty. Why Jada do it? Why she must do it?
Be a cussing, be a controversy.
You have a pedo brother that fi dead. And Jada, if you guys don't know anything about Jada, Jada have talked out her mouth already in multiple songs that she feels like men that are pedophiles should die. They shouldn't be living on earth. They should get death. They shouldn't be in society. So, if you guys don't know, according to the streets, allegedly, Stefflon brother was sleeping with a 14-year-old, allegedly, and also allegedly 18-year-old. And they're saying that he was messing with the 18-year-old before she turned 18. Allegedly, so the streets sent me there. I don't know how true it be, but if that's the case, he needs to be in jail. He needs to be in jail.
Almighty, this looks serious, man.
I'm in a business when nobody wants to say. I don't know what it is about these women artists. Once they get to a certain status, their family members and their brothers always feel like they're untouchable, or they can do whatever they want, and their fame and fortune or them family members' money are gonna protect them. Anyways, me know your whole done, but mine can't learn. Free fuck or rape, good pussy must sell. Let me read that line there again. Me know your whole done, but mine can't lend. Free fuck or rape, good pussy must sell. And if you guys don't know Jada, this is not the first time she has had a lyrics like this. GDP, if you haven't heard that song before, listen to it. She has a line like that before, so that's what she stands on, and she's owning it up, so nobody can diss her about that. She not fuck for free, okay? And if you fuck for free, them cuss you and tell you say I am head, and if you fuck and have to get things, them say a whore. So either way, it's a lose-lose situation, and I feel like this kind of come off of some trauma that Jada has had with men, which is why she have this belief system now. But either way, if that she believe, that she believe, and if that she live by, that she live by. I can respect a woman that's woman enough to say what it is and keep it right there. Him no one be no stepfather. If you guys, like I said, so before my dirty camera decide to shut off, me say him no one be no stepfather. Stefflon, if that was me, that nigga cannot see my pum pum ever again. Me don't care what kind of Range Rover I'm buying. Me don't care what I'm buying. When him say him no want be no stepfather. But if you know anything about Nigerians or African men, period, them not in a woman where have kids already, okay? Unless they're going to marry to you and they're gonna have multiple wives, then they'll be okay with it. But otherwise from that, and they really don't take women seriously that have kids. Take them serious as in marry them and all of that. But Jada said $500,000 in a pound, jet to Paris, couple of Birkin, not one, not two, not three, not four, not five, not six, not seven. The street says he bought her 7 Birkins, my dear. Okay.
No girl nowhere. No girl not here. When I have a group up, I'm gonna ask you. They read on the club, bad girl. I'm gonna stand up on that firm. Then mommy say, which girl? Cause she stress me out. Cause if her man say, and this is close to get up. But this can't be.
And you watch Palmer wrist. So she's basically saying our money where she get from Burna Boy and her Birkin bag them and everything, she invests them in a property. She's flipping the money, okay? So no girl can talk to her, cause once that the man left and gone, she still quadruple and doubling what he gave her. So an investment, Burna Boy make me dear. He made an investment on the popo. Hey! Since you're bad, me day I saw a weight on the box. Because if you guys don't remember, Stefflon that initial song talk about a girl with a man and how she a boxer.
I'm hearing some serious allegation. Fifi, money make galabwa? Oh.
Money make bad girl have manners, man ask that.
Touch her button now. Touch her button. And that Jada they say, your body a London bed. You pop pill, eat ass, and do beer weird stuff. You go to Dubai and make them in your face. Shoot up your face. I don't know how true that one may be, but they normally say when the girls go away to Dubai, that's what happened. You have to stop pimp out the little girl. According to the streets, honey, according to the streets. That's why that's why Stefflon always has her sister around her, because according to the streets, they said Stefflon is pimping on her sister to all the industry men, and that's why Stefflon always have a bag of man around her. And I miss so the lyrics them, and I miss so honey. You say all fart, don't step to me about no man. You're done. From your sing, boy girl, fuck your man. What? She posted something on Instagram, and it says, and for everyone who is saying war start, war just done. Well, for me that is, I'm happy and healthy. I'm in a happy and healthy relationship now. I won't be prolonging this nonsense. So let me make this clear. I only responded for my respect and the culture. She's the only one beefing over a man who I obviously don't want. It's ridiculous, but I saw it go more wild. Anyway, I said my piece. So I'm good, want to enjoy myself. I have to respect that. She's trying to respect her partner, because she is with Partisan Fontaine. If you guys didn't know, Megan Thee Stallion X. And I will say, Partisan was on social media and in interviews talking about Megan. So if you dust off a girl in a couple song about somebody you were with, it should be nothing. It shouldn't be nothing.
Jada Kingdom, aka Twinkle, aka Sally Sexy Body, aka Banana Boss, aka Mama Heavy, aka Miss Madonna Butt, aka J Wap, and you are?
Because you stand up for yourself and you start standing up for your respect, honey. Okay, so with that being said, I am going to give Miss Stefflon 24 hours to respond, and if she don't respond, baby, Jada win round 2. Jada definitely, everybody gets strays. From Stefflon body, our batch body, to our brother, to our sister, to our mother, everybody gets strays, my dear. Everybody gets strays. Everybody gets stray bullet. Everybody gets strays. Me don't pick my side already, you know, cause one thing about Jada, when it come on to bad girl song, that's her stuff right there, and I will give her that. When it come on to bad girl song, cool, and Jada cool and deadly with the song too. The lyrics, the sound, she didn't switch up her sound, she never do, she killed it. Okay, the intro alone, angle and strangle Steph. Okay, if I was another nationality, Mother Bex right now. Thank God me a Jamaican. With that being said, I'm going to end this video here. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one.